welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new to the channel, still welcome. I'm very happy you're here. And of course, a very special welcome to the new viewers. Welcome to the family. Mwah! I love you. Even though I don't know you personally, may this be your new favorite channel. So today I'm going to talk about Diagraph 2. I'm at step 2 into how to get your child to read very quickly. If you're new and you have missed the other videos I've done in this playlist, I would advise you to please go and watch them now. It's very important that you don't miss any of these steps on how to let your child learn to read quickly. Now, video 1 link is here and video 2 link is here. After you have watched those, then you can come back right here for my third video, and I'm at step 2, Diagraph 2. So let me quickly go over what are diagraphs. So diagraphs are a combination of 2 letters and the specific sound these 2 letters will make when they're together. So diagraphs are a combination of 2 letters and the specific sound these 2 letters will make. I teach students how to use these diagraphs to pronounce words, and then I give spellings with the words, then sentence writing, and the excitement begins when the sentences that they have written, they can actually read them. So they will write the sentences with no help, and then read those sentences. And of course, being that I'm an exciting teacher, which you should be. Once you're teaching children, you should let them know that learning is fun. If you're not fun, they're not going to enjoy the lessons. So you have to let the lessons be interactive and fun. And if you're having fun, the fun is infectious. They're going to catch on. Their face is going to light up when they see you like a bulb. And then you're going to be so happy to be with them, so let that inner child comes out when you're teaching. I do. When they get the words correct, I'm like, whoa, yes, go. If they try to cry, then I sing, we don't cry, we try, hey. We don't cry, we try, hey. So guess what? They have fun learning. And because they have fun learning, I am having fun teaching them. So I would advise you to do the same. If you are a teacher, take at least 15 minutes to half an hour each day to do these steps with your students who are unable to read. And trust me, within 3 to 4 months, those students will be reading, which will make your life easier. The students will be having more fun, because remember, reading is foundation for everything. Every other subject, you're going to need to know how to read to follow the instructions. So enough of me talking. As you can see by now, I do love to talk. Yeah, I do enjoy having a conversation. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click on that subscribe button. And while you're doing that, click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Don't be shy, like, share my work, and please leave me a comment below. I love to hear from you because I will respond. Whatever advice you need, I am here to help. So let's get down into the second diagram that I use to teach my students how to read really quickly and having fun while I do so.
So we are at Diagraph 2 and also step 2 in my lessons about how to let your child read quickly. Now, if you really went through the other videos and you are at this step, then I must say, congratulations! Woo! Good job! Whether you're a parent or a teacher, good job. Now listen, I congratulated you, Make sure you're doing the same. Make sure you're congratulating your child if you're a parent or your students if you're a teacher. Now, what is the diagraph that I use for my second diagraph? That's two O's, and two O's make the sound ooh. Two O's make the sound ooh. Two O's make the sound ooh. Now, I normally tell students, just think of the sound that the owl makes. That's the sound two O's making. Ooh. All right, time to practice. So the first word I use with this diagraph is book. I really love this word because students or children use books a lot, and it's very good when they are able to spell the word. When they need a book, you can let them spell. So if they say, Mommy, do you know where my reading book is? Or teacher, do you know where my writing book is? Then you say, how do you spell the word book again? Remind me. And let them spell. So that's good practice for them. So let's get into our practice. B makes the sound B. Two O's make the sound oo, and K makes the sound K. Put those sounds together. B, O, K. B, O, K. B, O, K. B, O, K. All right. Now you let the child practice that sound. And after the child gets it correct, and I'm very sure the child will. I don't know you personally. I don't know the child personally. But I'm very, 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 very sure that these steps work. The child will get it. And when the child do, what you have to do? Congratulate the child. Woo! Great job. You're so smart. You're like the smartest child I know. How comes you're so smart? I need to find out how smart you are. Can we do some more? Because I'm excited for you. Good job. Wow. Let's do another. Let me see how smart you are. That's how I'll behave for my students. Do the same for your child or your students. Definitely, they will be fired up, ready to go, and you are going to enjoy the lessons too. So my next favorite word, look. 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 And the child practice. You do the same. When the child gets the word, you know the congratulations have to come in. My next word that I will use is moon. 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 And you know the process already. Child gets the word, congratulations come in. Next is wood. Wood. All right. Child gets the word, congratulations. When you're congratulating the child, try to change it up. So you know the first time you said, oh, you're so smart. You know, next time do a little dance. And say, do you want to see me dance again? Make sure it's a crazy dance, all right? Make sure the dance make you look funny. And when they say, yeah, that's so funny, you say, you gotta sound out another one for me. These moves just come in my body whenever I see smart children. So are you smart? They say, yes, I am. You say, let's do it again. Let's see how smart you are. Let's try another word. Okay? So the last one I'm going to do with you is actually F-O-O-D, which is food. Food. And, congratulations. Now, we would next move on to the step of spelling. So you put the flashcards away, and you're going to give the child spellings. You can use back words from your flashcards, and I like to test the students' knowledge at this stage and give them words that I did not use on a flashcard. One of those words would be spoon. So you say the first letter makes a sound S, the second letter makes a sound P, the next two letters make the sound OO, the last letter makes a sound N. So you ask a child to write those letters in his or her book, and you can help them by saying S and P makes the sound SP. You already know the sound that two O's make, and you know the sound that N makes. Can you sound out this word and tell me what is this? Put the three sounds together. And when the child gets the word, again, the congratulations come in. After you do the spellings, then you give the child simple sentences to write. One of the sentences that I start with is like, look at it, because you can say, if they don't know how to spell at, you can say the first letter makes a sound ah, the second letter makes a sound t. Write those letters in your book for at, or it is my book. And I'm going to teach you the rule about why the letter Y is not going the y sound and actually saying the name of I, or it will make the sound of I. So that's another reason you need to stick to this channel, okay? I have a lot of information to share. Please check the description below. I will have a list of words that I use with the students that I didn't have on slides, also sentences that will help to make your job easier. Now, if you need a fun fairy tale book, educational wise, of course, because I'm all about putting the fun in education, so I've mixed fairy tale with education. I'm asking you kindly, please support my work. The book cover is now being displayed on your screen. It is available on Amazon. The link is also below in the description. Please support my work by purchasing this book. I would really appreciate it. So with that said, I'll now say thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not subscribed as yet, please click on the subscription, then click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new work. Please like and share, and of course leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you, how your child reacted. Did you let your inner child come out? Did you have fun? Because I do when I let mine out. I hope you do. So I would really love to hear from you. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye. Mwah.